Welcome to Briscoe Galaxy. You're hanging out with your man T Max, and it's glad we all made it to 2023. And I'm positive this year holds great things in store for all of us. So, in this video, I'll be showing you something revolutionary that could potentially add some thousands of dollars to your bank account in a couple of weeks. No doubt. So, stay tuned. So, if you've been following along with me, if you've been in my radar in the past 2-3 years, you should have come across a video where I asked you to install the Satoshi Core or btcs app. This is a project developed by some of the developers of Bitcoin. They're actually building a Web3 blockchain technology. It's just like an advanced version of Bitcoin and Ethereum of this core in the crypto market. So let's just go and check right now. Let's come over here. Let me see. MetaMask. I will check my MetaMask. Just give me a minute. Okay, so my MetaMask has loaded. We're just going to see how much one core now is worth in the market. So right now, if you come over here, we can just go to their swap. Swap. Let me see. I'm checking for their swap. There it goes to their swap. Yeah, swap test the btcs network. So give me some minute. So we're just going to go to their swap, and you see right here, this is core over here, and we're just going to check it with USD, so to see how much one of it is worth. So let's just check right now, one core right now in the market, how much is it worth? All right, so you probably will be asking, okay, I'm not on the core network, so how can I get those thousands of dollars in my bank account in a couple of weeks, like you said? Okay, this is not a financial advice, and kindly do your due diligence before you invest or take any decision. Okay, so this is my own advice. This is my recommendation for you if you're not on the core network. What you should do right now is go buy a core account. I already have a core account with a lot of core in it, but I'm still buying accounts. So I publish on my Telegram channel. I also have people that publish, and some buyers always come and knock on my door and say, okay, I have a core account, I want to sell. So I actually get those core accounts at a very cheap price. I meet them face to face when they agree to sell the core account. So I get a new device, I put the account on that new device, and once I load up the core and I see they're participating in the airdrop, I'm good to go. I will change the email, I will change the password. So this person doesn't go back after I've paid for the account. He goes and changes password and email or something, and I can't have access to the account anymore. So my advice is go buy a core account. I could help you find some core accounts that are cheap. You could get them for some good rates, but you need to go buy a core account. I'm not joking. Go buy a core account. You can see the value of core in the market already. Some people have 20, 50, 100, 1,000, and they might be willing to sell them for cheap because it's not yet mainnet yet. They don't even understand the value of this token or this technology or even with this blockchain, Web3. They don't understand it. So hurry, get an account before mainnet. That's just my advice for you. And this might be a late advice, because if 2 years back you took my advice to be mining core, you should have core in your phone, but now you don't have core in your phone, so you need to go get core. If not, you're going to regret it. I'm sure you're going to regret it. So see you in the next video. Bye.